Welcome to
अपना ज्ञान लो.
Today, the different types of chemical reactions. Reactions are not all the same. They come in a few clear types. Once you know them, you can recognize almost any reaction. Let's go. There are four main types of chemical reactions, plus one idea about heat. Let's take them one by one. First, combination. Here two or more substances combine to form a single new product. For example, calcium oxide plus water gives calcium hydroxide, or slaked lime. That is CaO plus H2O, gives calcium hydroxide. Second, decomposition. Here a single substance breaks down into two or more simpler ones, using heat, light, or electricity. For example, on heating, calcium carbonate breaks into calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. Question time. Calcium carbonate is heated and splits into calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. One substance becomes two. Which type of reaction is this? Pause and think. Yes, decomposition. One substance broke down into two, so it is a decomposition reaction. Third, displacement. Here a more reactive element pushes a less reactive element out of its compound. For example, iron pushes copper out of copper sulfate, giving iron sulfate and copper metal. Fourth, double displacement. Here two compounds exchange their ions, and often a solid precipitate forms. For example, sodium sulfate plus barium chloride gives a white precipitate of barium sulfate plus sodium chloride. One more question. Iron is added to copper sulfate, and it pushes the copper out. Which type of reaction is this? Pause and think. Correct, displacement. Iron is more reactive, so it displaces the less reactive copper. And a bonus idea. Reactions that give out heat are exothermic, like burning. Reactions that take in heat are endothermic. So remember the four types: combination, decomposition, displacement, and double displacement. Plus exothermic and endothermic, which is about heat. Next time, we finish this chapter with oxidation, reduction, and why iron rusts and food goes stale. That is all for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to
अपना ज्ञान लो.
and ring the bell so you never miss a new lesson. See you in the next one.